We would like to raise our glasses and make a toast to the wealthy investor who helped us make 268% profit in 1 week by following their unusual options trade, which expired today, March 8th. So in this video, we will go over another real example to show how our trading strategy works in beating the stock market. So last week on February 28th, on this day, we published this video where we were following unusual trades in Toast stock. You can find the video by searching the title on our channel. We will also put a link at the top here if you have info cards turned on. If you missed the video, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on profitable opportunities in the future, such as this one. So on February 28, Toast stock was trading below $23. And you can see that it went up above $23 to about 25 yesterday. Today it is 24.50. Okay, so the stock's up about 8%. And you can see our option strategy that we had followed on February 28th from this wealthy investor is profitable by about $110 per trade. This profit already takes into account the cost of our trade of 41, because if Toast stock had gone down, it would have been a loss of 41, 100% loss. So when we calculate the profit on this trade, we don't need to subtract the cost since it already takes into account. This diagram here takes that into account already to come up with this 110. So we simply take 110 profit and divide by the initial cost of investment of 41 times 100 for a percent to get 268% profit in a week. And as we mentioned, we simply followed the trade of a wealthy investor who was also trading this vertical call spread that expired today. So if you want access to more of these trades by wealthy investors to help diversify your portfolio, because they are not always right, but if we follow most of their trades, that is one of the reasons why we can beat the market. I'll put a link at the top here if you want to learn more on how to gain access to the trades of wealthy investors. Now, on February 28th, to give some more detail as to this trade that we were following, how we were able to follow it, we can see here that on February 28th, Toast stock was trading below $23 at $22.66. And that is when we detected these March 8 options at the 23 strike calls. You can see 7,000 volume on February 28. And at the 25 strike calls, there were 8,000. So this was very unusual. We also noticed that at the 24 strike calls, there were 7,000 and 7,000 open interest. Same at the 22 strike calls, 7,000 and 7,000. So from there, we were able to understand what was going on, where they were rolling their trades. Right? So that's part of what we do. We analyze a lot of this data to find out what this wealthy investor is doing. Sometimes these wealthy investors are actually trading on inside information. They may have leaked information and they may know something is about to happen. For example, on earnings reports. And that is why a lot of times when we trade earnings, we can get it right because we're following the trades of potential insider trading. So if you want to learn more about how we use our strategies, how we use our analysis to find these trades, and stocks that the wealthy investors are in, go to our website up here, and make sure to watch this February 28 video if you haven't. It has a lot more details as to how to follow the trades to be able to stay consistently profitable and beat the stock market. As usual, please smash the like button and have a great weekend.